As a professional enterprise in the field of winding equipment, Suzhou Winding Machines has always been committed to the mission of enabling coil customers to be more competitive in their respective industries. It continuously invests in research and development and innovation of special C-shaped coil winding machines, which are a type of flat fork winding machine. These machines are suitable for winding semi-circular coils within a 180-degree range. This winding machine can be used to wind coils for current transformers, clamp ammeter coils, resolver coils, coils related to angle sensors, and rotary differential transformers, among others, which are used to detect rotational angles or position changes. This winding machine is extremely easy to operate and features a high winding speed. It has a high degree of automation. Customers who have used it have reported that it operates with very little noise, which is attributed to its excellent precision. Equipped with a tension control function, this winding machine is small in size and can be easily integrated into automated production lines, saving more than 50% of the installation space. The introduction of this special C-shaped coil winding machine not only precisely responds to market demands, but also demonstrates the enterprise's technical responsiveness in the niche field. In the future, Suzhou Winding Machines will continue to deeply cultivate winding technology, providing global customers with smarter, more efficient, more reliable, and more cost-effective automated coil winding solutions. Suzhou will work together with you, making joint efforts and bringing mutual benefits.